Hello everyone. This is Criminology series and you are watching CSS to the point. Today our topic is sin, vice and evil. So, let's dissect this topic in complete depth. Now, first of all let's discuss what is sin. Keep in mind that any immoral act which is considered as transgression of divine law is called a sin. Now, what is divine law? Just remember that divine law is any law that is according to religious beliefs and it comes directly from the will of God. So, divine law varies from religion to religion. For Muslims, all the directions sent by Allah through the Holy Book and Holy Prophet peace be upon him are the divine laws. Similarly, the directions of other religions for their practitioners are their divine laws. So, going against these religious beliefs is considered as a sin. In simple words, we can say that sin is a willful or deliberate violation of some religious or moral principles. So, sin is doing what is wrong, or not doing what is right according to God's rules. For instance, false witness, breaking the promises, accusing others. These all are such actions that are considered as sinful. Now let's understand what is vice. Vice is generally a practice, behavior or habit which is considered as immoral. So, all those acts which offend the moral standards of our community come under vice. Now you would be thinking that if vice is also about bad things, then what is the difference between sin and vice? Keep in mind that sin is always an act which is against the divine law, or you can say that it is against the religious teachings. On the other hand, vice is usually not against the divine law. It is against the moral standards. For instance, smoking is not forbidden by a religion, but smoking at a public place is a bad thing, and it comes against the moral standards, so it will be considered as vice. Just remember that all those acts which are bad, but still not forbidden by religion come under vice. However, sometimes it happens that vice acts cross the limits and they become sin as well. Now, let's understand the concept of evil. Keep in mind that evil is something which is profoundly immoral and wicked. Evil is opposite of good. All those acts which are morally bad, cruel, unpleasant, harmful or even tending to harm come under the category of evil. These evil acts are sometimes sins and sometimes vice, and there are some evil acts which are both sin and vice at the same time. We can take an example of a murder. In this regard, murder is a sin as well as vice, as it is an evil act, and it comes in both the categories. It is a sin as well as it is a vice. So these are the three different, yet closely interlinked concepts. These all are the terms which come under the topic crime as social problem. So, this was all from today's lecture. I hope you guys understood the concept. Hit subscribe to keep watching for more videos on Criminology series.